Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Python. In today's video, I will show you how to get the current date and time quickly in Python with just a single line of code. We can make use of the date time module to get the current date and time. So let's get started how we can achieve that one. So first for that one, we need to import the date time library. For that one, right from date time import date time. So that's the import part which we need to do. Then within this date time we have a function by name. Now we can make use of this datetime dot now to fetch the date and time. This datetime dot now gets the current date and time in milliseconds. As we are getting this in milliseconds, we need to convert this one to human readable format. For that one, we can use string f time. So this will convert the date and time in human readable format. Within this function, mention the format in which you want to display the date and time to the user. For this instance, I will mention as year hyphen month hyphen date, and then I want to display the time as well. For that one I will use hour, then minute, then finally seconds. So this displays year, then month, date, and H is for hour, then minute and seconds. So this is the one line coder which we can use to get the date and time in Python. So let me store the date and time in one variable. For that one I will use the name current time. Let me print this one. For that one you can use the print statement, and within the print you can mention the current time. So let me run this simple script by using the run. Now you can observe we got the date and time as we have defined the format year, month and date that is being displayed here. Similarly, we got the time after displaying of the date. If you want to customize this format, you can do that one as well. As we have defined the format within this one, you can alter this one. For instance, if you want to change it to date first, then you can mention the D, then month, then year. So this will gives the date first, then month, and finally year. Similarly, to display the time in the AM or PM format, you can mention the code %I and %M. Then finally, it will take either AM or PM based on the current time. So now if you run this script, you can observe date is displayed first, then month, and finally year. And after that one, the time with the AM or PM that is being displayed here. So getting this current date and time is a common task in many of the applications, such as keeping track of events in your application or set a specific times to run any task or events, or in data analysis also, where you can track when the data was created or modified. In so many cases we can make use of this simple date and time. So that's it guys for this short video. Thanks for watching this. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials.